Hello, this is April, the artist behind InvokeArtSense. Today I bring you an extra video for the week. And who do you think I wanted to draw? You have it correct. Baby Yoda. Yesterday was May the 4th be with you. And it is also MerMay. And this is the 4th mermaid I have done. And instead of my usual sketches, I actually finished this one because I wanted to create a sticker and art print. But it didn't take me that long because it was just a small Baby Yoda. And here I am lining it, and I have a lot of hand troubles, or I just can't get very clean lines because my hands shake a lot. So that's why I do most of my line art digitally recently, especially for coloring pages. Even this can't be made into a coloring page with just the line art. I tried. So I have to go back and do the line art in Procreate digitally if I want to make this little guy a coloring book page as well. I just can't do line art that way. But that's okay. When I do line art like this, it still looks good, but the lines became thicker than I wanted it to be because I had to always correct myself. And I'm lifting it up to my face because I'm old and I can't see like I used to. Well, I can see, it's just harder to get the little details without messing up if it's not right in front of my face. And I am doing two perspectives. I recorded this two ways. Like the first part I was recording from my right, which was actually incorrect because I'm right-handed. So some of it, or at least half of it, my hand was covering the drawing, but it was only the sketch and the line art. You could still see it in that perspective. In this way, I was recording to my left, and which was a better idea because I'm not left-handed and you can see it that way. And I forgot to turn my light back on during this phase, like a dummy. I bought a new studio light box and forgot to use it at this point, but I figured out the correct way to use it anyways, which I wasn't using it correctly in the first part anyways. That's okay. At least I have the light box and I have the goal to get my video looking great, and that's all that matters, right? And I'm using illo markers mostly. I love illo markers. I wish they had a wider selection. I wish they would make more than, I believe it's 36, something like that. I think illo markers are great in between Copics and ohuhus. Ohuhus tend to be dark, and Copics tend to, be light and not as saturated. And I just don't like the too dark saturation from ohuhus. And I love, of course, the Copic markers, but I don't have everyone. And illo just gives a good alternative. And of course, I'm going to finish it off with Moonlight Jelly Roll Pins and Pentel Sparkle Pops. Now, they aren't light fast, but since this is being made into a sticker and art print, that's okay. The markers also aren't light fast. The sticker that I will make later, first I made this little guy, very small, as you can see. And after I was finished with this marker phase, then I scanned it with my scanner and used Photoshop to correct the lighting. And then I made like 11 of these guys on one sticker sheet. I don't have a silhouette portrait cutter or crease cut, which is on my wish list, but that's okay. It can still be done by hand, which I did. I printed it out on vinyl sticker paper and then hand cut all 11 of these stickers, which wasn't very difficult as long as you have sharp scissors and time on your hands. You can get it actually fairly looking like it was cut with a machine. And after I was finished with that, I went into Procreate and did the background so I could have a art print to go along with these stickers. I did the background digitally and I do regret it a little bit because I am not a very good digital artist, even though I've done it it's because I've only worked with it a few times. I'm probably more familiar with coloring in Photoshop, but I don't have a good tablet for that. So I use Procreate and I'm not very familiar with it. Voila, Baby Yoda is now cut up into 11 stickers. Couldn't fit 12 on a sticker sheet for some reason, but 11 is also a good number. I like odd numbers because I am odd. And this is printed on vinyl sticker paper, which is water resistant. And in my shop, these stickers will come with these prints, or one print and one sticker will be a set in my shop. So take a look at my shop if you're interested. One matte fine art print 4x6 and one Baby Yoda sticker. And the Baby Yoda sticker is, I guess, about 2 inches long or tall, and about 2 or 3 inches because it's angled, and about 2 inches or even 3 inches the other way too. So it's a pretty good size sticker that you can stick on your iPad, anywhere you want, your notebook, your sketchbook. And then you also get this matte fine art print. This was a different kind of video. I enjoyed making this and I plan on making more stickers and more prints. I also plan on getting giclée prints in my shop. Currently, these are just regular prints that are not giclée. But when I get those sourced out and get them in the mail, then I'll have my own giclée, or I'll have giclée prints in my shop as well. But this set comes with just a regular digital art print, and one sticker. Take a look at my shop. The link is in the description. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time for the next exciting video, Invokers. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.